Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the remaining left of the Arabic alphabet and how they normally will be written as like capital letter or small letter, and how they will be normally looking like when you see them in different words. Okay, first of all, I'm asking you to please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start here, because these are mixed. They wrote the mixed letters. So here we have meme. Meme. That's how it's normally looking like when it comes at the end of the word, fully written. But that's how it will be written like when it comes at the beginning of the word. It will be written flat to be able to be joined with other letter. And that's how it comes like when it comes in the middle of the word. You see, anytime you see this like that, it has this tiny line at the front and tiny line at the end. That means it's in the middle. There's gonna be here another letter, or it can be at the end of it. So that's how it's normally written at the end. When it comes at the end, it's still joined with why you see this line. That means there's letter before it. So this will be looking like this at the end, or it will be looking like this at the end. So that's, they just put example to how they might be normally looking like when they come in the beginning of the word, or the middle of the word, or the end of the word. This is wow. You see, when it comes written isolatedly, or the beginning of the word, fully written by itself. Still here as well, middle, just little line. There's not much to change in wow, because there's nothing to change, just little line here when it comes in the middle. Then here, little line as well when it comes at the end, or it can be written like this. You see, not much to do with wow. Anyway, it's easy to be noticeable. So ha, this how normally comes when it's at the end of the word. You won't see it like this at the end. No way. It will be written like this, ha, like a tiny circle like this. Ha. That's how it starts when you write at the start of any word. That's how ha looks like when it comes in the middle, with this little line at the right and little line at the end, the left, so it will be in the middle. That's how ha normally written as well. Sometimes it can be written like this. You see, at the end. If it's like this, at the end. But if it's like this, in the middle. Here, at the start. See, the start. And here, the middle. And the end is like this. Or it will be written fully like that. Ha. Ha. See, that's how you will be looking like when you will see in any word. See? Example for when it comes at the start, and example for when it comes at the middle of the word or the end of the word. Here, Hamza. Hamza, which is written on top of the alif. You see, this is alif. All this alif. But this is Hamza. It's normally written on top of the alif. Or sometimes it can be written on top of the ya, or it can be written on top of the wow. So this is just Hamza. You see, it's written on top, different letters in the Arabic language. So that's how it comes, Hamza, when it comes at the beginning. You see on top the alif here, it's written like this. It's alif. This is alif, but it has the Hamza on top. So this Hamza, it can be like this when it comes in the middle. In the middle, it's written like that. Or it will be written like this when it comes at the end. On top of the alif, but it's at the end. That's how the Hamza looks like when sometimes you will see the Hamza on top of the wow. Or this Hamza can come on top of the ya sometimes. So Arabic language is just, let's see. So you have to notice a lot. You have to observe a lot of things. This is how Hamza is like when it comes at the beginning, or the middle of the word, or the end of the word. Okay, here, alif. the first letter of the Arabic alphabet, alif. The beginning as well, alif is the same, the beginning. Here, it can be like this in the middle and like this. Alif, see? This is at the end. Or it can be written like that at the end. It can be written like this at the end, or it can be written by itself at the end like that. And the beginning, that's how it will be written like, or the middle, that's how it will be written like, with other letter in front of it. Then at the end as well, it might be written like this too, or it will be written like this at the end by itself, like alif, like here, like this one, or here. The end, it can be written by itself, or it can be written looking like when it comes at the beginning of the letter, they look similar. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.